Hi everyone, check out my client, workhorse, all the way from the south for PRS upgrade on his Toyota GRS Fortuner. The modes we have done on this unit are the very basic. We replaced the LED to a brighter one. The client chooses the same color, white, and install two sets horn, the PIAA horn and the PIAA superior bass horn and the sports horn combination. After, for his safety, the interior, we installed BF film ceramic Supreme Plus on the unit because he always traveling to keep the car interior cool. Side super dark while the front is medium. As you can see, this is how clear. And dashcam, you stay there. We use VANTRUE. This is VANTRUE 4-channel dashcam. 4-channel means front, you can see the front. You can see the rear. This is the rear. You can see the front interior and from the back interior going for the front. See? And this is a very high-end dashcam, best of the best. Next, for the suspension on this unit, we're using the PROFENDER Tune series. The difference between the Tune and the Queen series of PROFENDER is there's a canister. Okay. Coil over type, upper UCA, the stub link, adjustable stub link. The canister is behind this rubber. See? For the front. And for the rear canister. Okay. Rear shocks, rear coil spring, and rear canister here. You can adjust the rebound and compress. Go straight for the tires. Lastly, for the suspension lift we're using on the, for the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the 20-inch Voc Race Daytona series, the BD06 in APK color, wrapped in 285/55/20 BFKO2 tires. See the stance, perfect from the side, perfect fitment. Guys, always remember, no to fake wheels. And if you're interested on how we built here, feel free to message me. And also, please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel at PRS CAR ACCESSORIES and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!